What are some of the main conclusions of this study's findings?
MISMES are frequently replicated and borrowed by countries globally. And our project aimed to focus on strengths and weaknesses of implementation and cost effectiveness of these MISMES. That's why one of the particular values of the project was looking at the implementation, evaluation, and assessment of these MISMES. And this is a rich source of information to look at assessment reports, etc. What we discovered actually, and this is one of the findings of our study, is that implementation assessments typically focus on immediate outcomes of the projects. And it is hard to assess the longer-term impact of the projects to allow understanding the challenges of implementation of these MISMES, so that next countries that borrow it can be able to cope and implement them accordingly.
And how will the study advance future policy work on migrant workers?
This is one of the areas where actually future policy work should focus on, because MISMES are so important to increase the labor market outcomes, employability, and skills utilization of migrants. Understanding the longer-term impact of these policy interventions is especially important. So, for example, future policy work should focus on more systematic approach to doing assessment of these studies, understanding the challenges and weaknesses that go into implementation and carry out such projects.